Hello everyone, I am Momita Majumdar and I welcome you to our project presentation on Superstore Sales Analysis. This project focuses on exploring real-world retail data to uncover insights related to sales, profitability, consumer segments, and regional performance. We have used data cleaning, visual analytics with Python, and SQL to dig deep into the dataset and extract valuable patterns. Joining me are my teammates Manish Rajak and Mohammad Adil. And now I would like to invite Manish to explain the data cleaning process.
Thank you, Momita. Yeah, let's come to the EDA part. We first upload a data set, and after that we check information part, data types, data set size, shapes, description, statistics. After that we check null value present or not. After that we check duplicated value present or not. After that we correct date time columns. After that we have made some important problems. You can see this. Now over to Muhammad Atif.
Thank you, Manish. Let we come to the data visualization part. Let me share my screen. Once the data was clean, we used Python libraries like seaborn and matplotlib to visualize key metrics. Here are some of the important insights. Top products by sales. The Canon image class 2200 leads with sales over 61,000. High revenue products are mostly office electronics and binders. Monthly sales trend. Sales spike in Q4, especially in November and December, likely due to the seasonal shopping. Sales by state and category heat map. States like California, Texas, and New York dominate in sales, especially in technology. And over to you, Momita.
Thank you, Adil. Now, sales by region pie chart. The West region leads overall, while the South lags, suggesting growth potential. Subcategory profitability. Co-buyers and phones bring the most profit, while tables often show losses. Sales by segment. The consumer segment leads in total sales, followed by corporate and home office. These visualizations helped us discover performance patterns across different business dimensions. Now over to you, Nash.
Now come to the SQL part. We have solved so many important queries according to business purpose. You can see here are so many queries, and here are also so many insights. Now I am running one or two query. You can see here. You can see product based on profit margin as high profit, moderate profit, low profit. Now you can also see there are so many important queries where I have used row number partition type using CTE, and so many inner query I have used. Here you can also see month over month sales growth per category. Now I am running this. Here you can see our solution. Now over to Muhammad Atif.
Okay, thank you, Manish. Let me come to the presentation part. Let me share my screen. All our findings were compiled into a clean and modern PowerPoint presentation. In this, in today's competitive retail landscape, understanding sales performance is crucial for making informed business decisions. This project presents an in-depth analysis of a superstore sales data using data science techniques. Okay, let me see the first of all bar chart top products by sales. Canon image class 2200 leads with sales over 61,000. Most top selling products are office electronics and binders. High value tech items contribute significantly to total revenue. Second, line chart by monthly sales trend. For sales show a clear upward trend towards the end of each year. Seasonal peaks often occur in November and December, likely due to holidays shopping. Some months like January and February may reflect lower sales activity, showing regionality. And over to you, Manish.
Yeah. Here you can see heat map graph, sales distribution by state and category. You can see California typically dominates sales across all categories, especially in technology. And New York and Texas often follow, showing a strong performance in office supplies. Some states like Wyoming or Montana may show low or negligible sales, indicating less market penetration. Here is a pie chart of sales distribution by region. You can see some insights that the west region usually contributes the highest share of total sales. East and central regions follow with moderate sales contributions. The south often lags in sales, indicating potential for market growth. Now over to Ms. Momita.
Thank you, Manish. This is subcategory profitability horizontal bar chart. Copiers and phone generate the highest profits among all the subcategories. Table consistently shows negative profit, indicating losses despite sales. Binders and suppliers also perform poorly in terms of profitability. This is sales by customer segment bar chart. The consumer segment generates the highest sales volume. Corporate customers contribute moderately to overall sales. The home office segments lag behind, suggesting untapped potential. To conclude, our superstore sales analysis helped us identify key drivers of sales and profit. We saw that technology and office products bring the highest revenue, while some of categories like tables and binders may need strategic adjustments. The West region and consumer segment performed the best, while the South region and home office segment offered room for growth. By combining data cleaning, Python visualizations, and SQL queries, we were able to turn raw data into powerful business intelligence. Thank you for watching our presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.